you find me under the Visa. As you can see, we've got these spanners on here. We're undoing the lower suspension arm. Then we've got the ones at the back there to do. We've already done this, but we need to separate it. We'll do that at the end and then put the new one on, hopefully. Really tight struggle to get in, but look, if you use these, you get in. All different sizes, by the way. These two were both 19. Open-ended on the right, and that lovely little stepped round spanner there. I've had those for years, they're brilliant. And then they're different, both this side's forgotten the sizes, both 18 down here. We're winning. We're winning. There we go. The old one's off. New one about to go on. They're exactly the same, thank goodness. And yeah, now the harder bit, putting it back together again. Jolly good. Here we go then. So, as you can see, we've changed the lower suspension arm on Visa GTi now. So that's that job done. There's other stuff need doing, the brakes need sorting out on this now. But you can see the old arm that's come off just over there on the ground, and yeah, the new one is on. So, job done. Small step forward. Means that I can at least move it around now and start on the RS Turbo again, and it's drivable. So win. Have a good week. Cheers.